Hello dear friends, hope you're doing well. In this part we are going to work and learn about Autodesk Navisworks Manage 22 completely. A very powerful software to coordinate the projects. For sure, in these recent years you've got familiar with BIM, or at least you've heard about it. One of the tools that can really help to every user in this process is Navisworks. For sure you will need this software in different parts such as clash detecting or 4D, that we will completely talk about them later. After teaching this software completely and practically, at the end we will try to tell you a little about Synchro software and compare it with Navisworks. And then we will tell you about the usages and works of this software. Of course, this software is really powerful in 4D projects. In addition to do a 4D project in Navisworks, we will try to tell you a sample and process of that in Synchro too. Of course, let me tell you that Synchro has its own capability. In fact, that the thing we need, like compatibility, I can say Navisworks is more compatible with the softwares that we mostly use. But if we want to tell you some 4D samples or more professional, in management of projects or management of time, which is a little more suitable, Synchro is really more powerful. But our main focus is on Navisworks. And we will try to tell you the details of this software. So stay with us that you can use this software very professionally.